There is another trim of Toyota Tundra coming. This one is called the Trailhunter. This particular truck is a prototype, but it is going to be a TRD Pro level kind of truck, but with a different set of priorities. As opposed to being something that runs on trails like Baja, this is more built for hunting and overlanding. As you can see, this truck is lifted and it's got a roll cage on back, steel bumpers up front, skid plates underneath, and is set up to put things on the roof and even have a roof mounted tent up on top. You have a steel bumper in back as well. This truck has two purposes ultimately. One, of course, is to have yet another trim of Tundra, but the other is to have an overlanding equipped truck without having to go to a bunch of different accessory companies. It comes from the factory this way. It will be done with Toyota and partners that Toyota will be announcing soon to give you something that you can buy from the dealership that is ready to go out and do all the things you want to do way off the road. This is an interesting new concept from Toyota and shows just how much they want to use the Tundra to give a wide variety of options of the kind of truck you might be looking for. Think about this, think about the TRD Pro, think about the Capstone, and think about the SR5. There's a lot going on. Now, it is still early days. There's a lot of things we don't know, like, for example, we don't know whether the hybrid engine or the standard engine will come in this truck, or perhaps both. We don't know whether it's going to be the regular cabin or the Crew Max, and we also don't know about truck bed length. Could be like the TRD Pro, where it's very limited, or it could be more like the SR5, where you have lots of options. But we do know that this is a very interesting take and yet another trim for the third generation Toyota Tundra.